Ear cream for hair growth. Are you interested in learning how to make this oily, moisturizing, and conditioning hair cream? Watch this video to the end and see how you can start making it for your personal use or for business. It's another lucrative business that can earn you money on a daily basis. Watch this video to the end and learn how to do it yourself. Now let's go into the making. Here are the ingredients we'll be using in today's production. And you will need a heat source and a clean pot. Your heat source might be your cooking gas, your stove, whatever that can generate heat for you. The first ingredient that is going into my clean pot is petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, I make use of 62.5 grams. 62.5 grams of petroleum jelly. I added it to my dry hot pot on a very low heat. The next I will be adding is my paraffin oil. Paraffin oil, I added 31.5 grams. 31.5 grams of paraffin oil. Then I mix together. Remember, on a low heat. Allow the both to melt at least to heat together. The next I'm adding is my stearic acid. Stearic acid provides conditioning protection and a smooth feel without weighing the hair down. And it's also adding the hair cream. I added 2 spoons of stearic acid. I add and I stir. The next ingredient I'm adding is my shea butter. I added small shea butter into it. And as I add it, I stir it and I allow it to melt together with the other ingredients. The next ingredient I'm adding is lanolin. Lanolin is a natural emollient that improves your hair elasticity and make your hair shine. Lanolin also provides nourishment for your hair roots. I added it and I stir it together to melt with other ingredients, and I allow it to heat up for like 2 to 3 minutes before adding the next ingredients. All these ingredients help your hair grow. The next ingredient I'm adding is glycerin. I'm adding just 2.5 ml of glycerin. 2.5 ml of glycerin. I added it and I stir it together at the same time. The next ingredient I'm adding is vitamin E. Vitamin E also I added 2.5 ml. If you want to produce a large quantity of this hair cream, you can get our ebook. The measurement for the large quantity is in the ebook. And you can get this ebook and follow the same step in order to produce it in a large quantity, maybe for business or other purposes. Remember, I just added my glycerin and vitamin E. on a very low heat. I added it and I stir it. I allow it to heat up. The next thing I'm adding is my color. I'm adding yellow color into it. I'm adding oil color. Oil color, not water color, please. You can get all these ingredients in where they are selling soap chemicals. I added oil color and not water color. As I add, I check it and I add a little to it. Don't add too much color. It's not good to use your hair cream and at the end of the day you retain color on your hair. Note please, I've already put off my fire before adding my color. And the next thing I'm adding after my color is my fragrance. I'm adding my fragrance and I added like 2 to 3 mils of fragrance into it. You can add any fragrance of your choice. I added my fragrance and I stir it. I stir it together for all the ingredients to blend without separation. We have come to the end of making of our hair cream. As you can see, it's so simple and very straightforward. You can just follow the same step. Get all your ingredients from any chemical store that is close to you. Follow the same step and voila, you have made your homemade hair cream. Look at how beautiful it is after 12 hours. Just after 12 hours, it has already solidified, shining, looking very beautiful. So if you want to produce it in a large quantity, please get our ebook. The full recipe is inside the ebook, the recipe and the measurements, and also other 50 household products are inside the ebook. DM me to grab your copy. I know you will love it. At this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.